How to manage your network on OBS Studio. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage network on OBS Studio easily. First thing, go to OBS Studio. This is the home page, as you can see. Now go right here to the settings on this list and go right here down to advanced. After you click on advanced, now scroll down until you find network, and you can now manage it from here. As you can see, you can enable or disable whatever you don't want. After you finish editing your network settings, click apply and OK. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.